Here's one of the most important warnings in all of data science, and it fits on a bumper sticker. Correlation is not causation. Two things can rise and fall together, tempting you to believe one causes the other. Very often, it just isn't true. Let's see why, with ice cream. Imagine we plot two numbers for each day of the year: how much ice cream a town sells, and how many people drown. Each dot is one day. Notice the pattern: on days with more ice cream sales, there are also more drownings. When two things move together like this, up and up, we say they are positively correlated. If one rose while the other fell, that would be negative correlation. Now comes the tempting leap. The dots line up so neatly that your brain wants to shout. Ice cream sales cause drownings. Ban ice cream. Save lives. But that's obviously absurd. An ice cream cone never pulled anyone underwater. So what is really going on? There's a third thing hiding in the background: hot summer weather. When it's hot, people buy more ice cream. And when it's hot, more people go swimming. So, sadly, more people drown. Heat causes both. Ice cream and drownings only look linked because they share a hidden common cause. We call that hidden cause a confounder. Confounders are one trap, but there are others. Sometimes the arrow points the wrong way: reverse causation. You might think umbrellas cause rain, when of course it's rain that causes umbrellas. And sometimes it's pure coincidence. With enough data, unrelated things can drift together by chance alone. So how do you ever prove that one thing truly causes another? You run an experiment. Take two groups that are otherwise identical, change just one thing for one group, and hold everything else fixed. If the outcome changes, you've found a real cause. Change one thing on purpose, and watch what happens. That's the gold standard. When you can't experiment, at least measure and control for the confounders you know about. Why does this matter for machine learning? Because models feed on correlation, they have no idea what causes what. A model could happily use ice cream sales to predict drownings. On last year's data, it looks brilliant. But lean on a spurious link, and the day the hidden cause shifts, a cool, rainy summer, the model falls apart. Prefer features that have a real reason to matter. So, burn this into memory. Correlation means two things move together. Causation means one actually drives the other, and correlation alone can never prove it. Watch for confounders, those hidden common causes, and to be sure of a cause, run an experiment. Next, we'll put these ideas to work by exploring and visualizing a real dataset.